Yo guys, this is Fast Feet. Let's go. First workout.
You say I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say
Halfway.
I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so
Hit the subscribe button.
swimming in the river stinks too much. I'm trying to let go of us, but the truth is what's really your one.
Take a rest. Next workout. Ready? Second workout. Keep running. Come on, guys.
In fire, my darling, rose in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next workout. Ready? Go. Hit the subscribe button, please. Keep running. Life is free, guys. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next workout. Ready? Go.
I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine.
Like
My
is
brain
free,
feels
guys.
heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so
Subscribe
tired,
to the
I
channel,
can't feel
please.
my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie.
Halfway.
Feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa.
Almost done, guys.
I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time.
Take a rest.
I'm gonna give it everything I got.
Next workout.
So I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got.
Go.
I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got.
Shake it, guys. Shake it. Come on, guys.
Why do I still have hope? So many days have passed. I wait
Keep
around
going.
for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living
Almost done,
when you
guys.
can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers. They say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with the
Rest
helping hand.
time.
I know that it's not
Next
easy,
workout.
but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears
Life
and
is
really
free, guys.
conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not
Move,
giving
move,
up.
move.
I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
Keep going.
So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything.
Almost done, guys. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Workout complete. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Subscribe to the channel, please.